Welcome to our channel www.news.co.id.
Hey, what's up guys, meet with me again in Nuisance channel. In the our mp3 play project, we have been at find or search menu and then show the song in the list box. And in this video is the last for our mp3 play project, and then you can custom with you want after this video. And in the final part, I want to show how we can using Keypress event and show it very user friendly for user. Let's open our mp3 player project. In the previous tutorial we add this search bar, and I will show the last our tutorial about how we can find song using some specific keyword, for example dot part. You can see, okay, you can see in the previous video if you want to uh, see how we can implement this search bar. And now for final, I want to adding even Keypress for list box. So because we have two list box here, I suggest you show document outline here, okay, because our position of two list box is in the same coordinate. You can see this is for list find song, and this number second is this box for playlist here. Okay, how to show document outline here? You can see in the view, and then just click in the document outline, or you can use shortcut Ctrl plus Alt plus T here. Okay, now first is let's do with our list box playlist. Just activate on list box playlist here, and then go to event. Okay, this is after selection list box playlist, and just select even Keypress here. Double click in here. Okay, now let's try. I'm using if a dot keychar is equal. Okay, this is using ASCII character here. You can see here using ASCII character in here. So 13 is for enter button in keyboard, and for play, after we press the enter button, we can just using this code to play. Okay, and because this is listbox playlist, just change this list find song to this playlist or listbox playlist here like this. And then in here also we are using let me define song is not equal to search. Okay, the search you can find in here in the script. Just copy paste for the same format here. Okay, you can like this, search, then okay, if we press with enter in keyboard, it will make play the song, and then if the text box find song is not searched for the string, then will be make the text box the text is searched like this. And then we are also hide the list find song to visible is equal to false. Okay, after list box playlist Keypress, we need also to make this find song, because the position is the same. We can just using document outline here and then click this find song, and in the event just same with this book playlist, we just do in Keypress, double click in here. Okay, we are also using the same method after we using try in here. Okay, using enter button with ASCII 13 code in here, and then just to play again like this. But we need to add a statement like this, made of this find song dot visible equal to false. After we press enter, the list find song will hide again, and then the find song the text is equal to, let's do with search again. Okay, like this. And in the last, I want to code for this box playlist for double click. So after you activate in here, you can just change the event method in the here, rather than you back into the sign. Just click double click here, and using try again for play, I also make using this. Okay, okay, in here I'm forget this must change to this find song, because not this book playlist, this find song here. Okay, sorry. And back again to in this book playlist, the script is the same way key press in the here, just make this copy paste for fast, and put the code here, and then just start for viewing the final project. Okay, in here I want to using enter button in keyboard, so I will show the on-screen keyboard to show you what happened if I press enter in here. Let's do with this. For example, I'm very like with higher song. Let's press enter. Okay, the audio has playing, and for search button, let's do it top part, for example. Okay, the song is playing. For double click like this, also will play the song. Okay, this method using key press and double click will make the user easy to use your application. In this case is an Mp3 player, and I think this is the final for our mp3 player project. You can development or develop this application for better with yourself, of course. And I will stop because uh, there is no other video part. Okay, you can download all our project in www.news.co.id/web/vb. Okay, you can download source code here. If you have any questions about our project, you can just fill the contact form in the site. And I think it's enough. Thanks for watching. See you in the next project. Bye bye.